Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove the link from your Instagram applications by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Instagram application, wait until it's perfectly open, and after it's open you just need to take a look on this bottom side. There will be a lot of buttons here. You just need to visit your profile and you'll see on my bio I already add a link over there. So I would like to remove this link from my bio so that I can reorganize my account. So if you want to remove this link, you just need to take a look on this side. There will be two options here, so you just need to go click edit profile, and the next thing you need to do, there will be like a link's information, and then you just need to go click done. So here is the link that you just added to your bio, so you just need to go click it. If you want to remove it, there will be like one and only button with the red color here, remove link, so you just need to go click them and confirm that you want to remove the link, and slightly the link will be disappear from your bio. So that is the way how to remove the link from the Instagram bio. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.